Good evening. This is my first posting on YouTube. I want to show you the hits, the cards that I got from this 0708 Letterman basketball. I already opened the box. I was with my professor, Architect Hoyt Kabakang, this afternoon at Robinson's Galleria in Ortigas. We were trying to see, there are 4 boxes available for sale at that store at Courtside, and we were trying to figure out what we could get from the box. So I tried weighing all 4 boxes with my hand and tried to see which is the heaviest, and my professor confirmed that this serial number NB09994-606 is the heaviest. So because we were short with the money, so we only tried to open one, and we wouldn't want to waste so much on this box. We just wanted to try what we could get from this series. So here are the cards that we got. Dennis Rodman base number 2599. Baron Davis base number 2599. Dirk Nowitzki base. Ray Allen base, also a 599. Kevin Garnett base. The rookie base cards are these are also numbered to 599. This is Javaris Critton of the Memphis Grizzlies. Luis Scola base RC. Al Thornton base RC numbered to 599, and this parallel X-Fractor card of John Stockton numbered 5 out of 25. Nice looking card. The hits that we were able to get are the following: a Rajon Rondo quadruple patch, unsigned, serial numbered 7 of 9. Next one is this Al Thornton quad jersey, 7 of 75. The following one is Aaron Aflalo of the Detroit Pistons, Letterman patch, autograph, numbered 10 of 15. And the best hit that we got from this box is one of the chased cards is this Letterman patch, 14 karat gold, Kevin Durant. There you are. Great looking card. Letter A, serially numbered 1 of 1. The folks at the regular guys at Galleria every Saturday will be seeing this on come Saturday when I go back. There you are. Thanks for looking, and see you guys around.